Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and this is my 1980 Ferrari 308 GTSi. C is finally home and we're gonna put it back together. Like I said, we're gonna put her back together, but before we start we have to do some small jobs. That's why I got my dirty clothes on. First, what we gotta do is gotta clean a lot of the parts. Here you can see very dusty, but also some overspray that we have to solve. And just start with basic cleaning. And to do that we have to get the car out. But to get her out we have to do something about the rear tire, because otherwise I need 4 people to push the car in and out. So what we're gonna do today, first get this wheel moving again. I think the brake caliper is stuck, or whatever you call it. But something like that is stuck. We're gonna loosen it so the car rolls a little bit better. Then after that we're gonna push her out, or if it's raining we're gonna start putting in some headliner, because that part can go in already. And even if it's still raining after that, we can put the door panels in or something. Lots of things to do. I don't know where to start. I'm gonna check my papers first. Well, papers checked. Another job that I can do if it's raining outside. Hope you can see it. Don't push it too far. There should be a cable to the door for the windows, the automatic windows, etc. And we have to put those cables back, and we can start pairing these cables over here. Still have the problem coating on it. So that's it. That's what we're gonna start with, and then after that, meanwhile, we can also put the logos back on, but I have to clean them first. So lots of things. Now I've wasted about 3 minutes, so let's get started. Okay guys, I found the problem. This is the cable for the handbrake, and when you how do you call it, put the car on handbrake, then and you release it, then this lever doesn't want to go. So now, although there's a little bit of friction, but the wheel is turning again. So we have to figure out how we're gonna solve it. And if you look closely, all the dust and all the dirt, that's why we have to do a proper cleaning. And after all's finished, then we have to adjust the right height. Adjust the right height. Yes, double name. So, and here you can see clearly the overspray. We don't want. I feel a little bit sad because I already painted this part. Oh no, I didn't. No, I have to remove this one and then get this one painted. But yeah, well, overall I'm very happy still. It's all good. I don't know how this works, but it's all good. Looks very complete. The only problem is this one, this caliper. After it's clean, and you can see properly, but it is leaking somewhere, and we're missing a bleeding cap over here. And the big problem is I just can't seem to find one. So we have to find a solution for that. But let's get the wheel back on, get the car out. cleaned up. Well, sort of. I will turn you around and I'll show you what I have found. So let's take a closer look. Overall, everything is pretty clean. Some small spill here and there. This one has to be resprayed, but I haven't finished it yet. So you see there, oh, there, some damage. This all also has to be sprayed, but it was in my garage. Meanwhile, there is some dirt over there that I can't get clean. But overall, I'm pretty happy. Some overspray here, so we're gonna respray that area. And when we look at the back, then you can see it's a little bit reddish right now, but it's getting cleaner. Clean enough for now to work on the car. A lot better. So let's get her inside, one way or the other. And just like that, the baby's back in. Okay, what we're gonna... Be quiet. What we're gonna do... I'm gonna have some dinner first. Yes, dinner. Yeah, food. I need food. And then after that, I'm gonna take the box with the parts with me. We're gonna clean that together. And after that, I'm gonna put them on. I'm changing my mind constantly, haven't I? I wanted to do the headliner, but I changed my mind. We're gonna put the logos back on. Yes, I want them back on. And same as all the other parts. Well, never mind, we'll just do whatever comes to mind. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean this box up. All these parts need some little attention. Well, they kind of look okay. The point here is they are original. So I'm not really... I'm not willing to remove them. But if you look closely, it doesn't what can I say? We'll just clean them up first and then we'll see. Well, parts are cleaned, and look at this. This is the 308 logo, the GTSi. And now the problem is with this one, I believe that the middle section used to be gray or metallic like, and now it's just black. And the big problem is I like it, but yeah, maybe I should paint it. On the other hand, maybe I can paint it when it's on the car. I don't know yet. Have to figure it out. I got the Ferrari logo, and we cleaned the prancing horse. And again, you see it has a little bit of aging on it, but I kind of like it. I think I'm gonna put it on like this. The only problem is these are the clips for the types, but over that clip there is this one, and that one is broken, and the other 4 I have lost. I don't know where they are. Also, we have this one, Designo di Pininfarina, that used to be taped on the car, but also damaged. So I bought a new one, but the new one got the pins on the back. Can you see it? Yes. So I think I have to cut them out and tape it again, because there are no holes in the car, and I already checked. It should on the other side, but it should be like here, but you cannot reach it because the gas tanks are in the way. So I think we're gonna do the same thing as the old one, but well, we got a lot of stuff to do. look at this. And here the horse, and of course the GTSi is back on. Yeah, well, you got to start somewhere, don't you? First job was already a little bit annoying. No, that's not true. Well, what we're gonna discover by putting the car together is every time I will pick something up, I will discover that the base is not good, or a screw is missing or damaged or broken. So every time I want to put something on the car, I'm probably gonna end up buying something I need. Well, that's just how it goes. Not a problem, because that is what we're aiming for, to have a good car. But still, so beautiful. You know what? I'm gonna call it a wrap. For me, it's a long day. For you, it's only been 10 minutes, I guess, but who cares? Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to take a look back at the other videos I've made, especially when the baby was coming home, but also very nice to see how she was before she looked like this. So check them out, and don't forget to like, subscribe. You know the drill. I don't need. I know. Just and let me know what was the car you worked on today. Yeah, I want to know that. What was the car you worked on today? Let me know in the comments. Goodbye.